Alright, what's up YouTube? I know it's been a little while, but we had a clipper company reach out on Instagram and wanted us to do a video. So we're gonna unbox this product and we're gonna use it and let you guys know my honest thoughts. Alright, so we have the SuprentPRO Mecha here. We're gonna switch the setup around and go to my station over here and unbox it, and I'll show you all what's inside the scope. Alright, with the Mecha clipper. Here's the box, the logo up here, their little design on the box. Beyond Master on this side, Beyond Master on that side, nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom. The back, SuprentPRO, motor 7,800 RPMs, running times 1,800 minutes, charging times 1,800 minutes. All right, go ahead and open it up. Let's put plastic off. Got that. Let's set that right there. Ooh, look at it. Yep. All right, so we got the dock here. A little soft padding down here. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I don't really got much room, but we'll find a spot. Then you got an accessories box. All right, accessories. Open it up. We got an empty oil bottle. So that's probably not the best. All right, well, these are in bags, so they'll be straight. Looks like they got the guards. They look like like the premium wall guards. There's more guards. Here's the cable. Got oil on it. We got a little booklet, a card, a little card. And then we got a brush. All right. We'll set this stuff aside. Go ahead and get these guards out. All right, so it looks like it goes all the way up to 8, which is cool because I don't have an 8 card because I don't know where mine went. 1. I mean, it's pretty solid guard. Metal clip. Half. 1.5, the 3, and the 6. So 1 through 8. No 7, of course, or 5. Set all that stuff over there. Got a little book to look at. Wow, it shows you how to put the guard on. Alright. Let's take a look-see here. Hey, that looks pretty good, not gonna lie. It's got the logo right here. It's got this cool little design in here. It almost looks like, here, hold on. Too much light. Oh, there's still too much light. It almost looks like Bumblebee from the Transformers. Watch your eyes. Pretty cool. All black. Click levers. Here's the blade. The logo back there. Taper blade. Turn it on, you gonna hear it. Oh, okay. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a power display. Yeah, it's a battery life counter, or a battery life display. So it's at 86%. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Hey, I mean, they feel pretty good. All right, well, let's plug them up. All right, so I got them all charged up, the dock sitting over there. So they sent me some details about it. For one, at $79.99, I will have a discount code you can use. It'll save you 25%. We'll put that right here. So it's an Engine Guru brushless motor with Hall sensor. It's 7,800 RPMs, a Hall sensor for intelligent power compensation, ensuring consistent performance regardless of hair texture or density. It has a ceramic and DLC graphite coated blade. The Tim Master is called. It's got a lightweight design, taper blade with a click lever, charging dock, of course, LED screen. So yeah, for 80 bucks, unless you use my discount code again, right here. I mean, it's decent quality. Feels heavy-ish. I mean, it's not too heavy. I don't really like super heavy clippers. Excited to use them. It is a holiday, but the shop's closed, so they will charge. And turn the camera back on, and I'll show y'all how they are, and then give you my honest review after. Appreciate y'all for watching. Leave a like, comment what you guys think. If you guys do purchase it and use my code, which is right here, tag me on Instagram, which is right here. I want to see what you guys think about it and when you guys get it. That's it for this video. See y'all soon. Appreciate you checking it out. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.